Hello, today I'm gonna show you my graduation project about movie recommendation system. The system works like if developer wants to append new data to dataset, he or she uh, pastes the link of the review and program goes to the user's personal page and takes the movie recommends and movies together and cleans the data and appends it to the CSV file. Actually, I'm not doing it now because it takes a little time due to the internet connection and about the amount of the data set and appends it on the last of the this CSV file. Actually, it appends it from the last because if it sorts every time, it takes a lot of time. So I decided to developer after finishing the appending data, he or she should sort it from here. First column represents the movie names for words like 50s, 19s, 17s, and any other things. And first row represents the movie names. Pray for the devil and etc. For example, my algorithm works like yes, we have for here. If user looking for about aspect and expectation about a movie, the algorithm finds the index of expect and looking for every movie's data about aspect. For example, movie B have 0, C have 0. Actually, it at first finds the index of expect because if it does not find and trying to find every movie, it takes a lot of time. If our program finds it at first, it takes much less time. Actually, user can enter 4 or 5 words. It can be very difficult to find at every movie. If program finds it at first, it is much easy and much efficient. For example, if we had this amount of data set and like actually make it one, the program looks at movie B is 0, C is 0, D is 1. Okay, append it to recommendation lists E is 0, F0, G4, append it to the last and look other one. If there is bigger than 4, append it to. And this means this movie G is the most relevant movie, like Kid Galahad. Actually, I'm sorting this because if we don't sort, when user search for example, cycle, it search this amount. It looks if, for example, user enters the trunk this amount of time in linear searching. If this is sorted, I'm making the binary search, and binary search means a lot of efficiency, a lot of time. The other searches are huge amount of time loss. And let me show you about the user. For example, user wants to see anything about 19s. Takes 4 or 5 seconds. Bracket live. Ah, this movie about 19th game, 19th games. It's about games in 19th. For example, Oops. Sorry, I forgot to close it. Don't save. For example, if he or she wants to search a movie about zombie, it gives Dawn of the Dead. I'm looking. Dawn of the Dead. Probably it's about zombies. Yes. And if there is another movie, we can click next. Halloween 2, Army of the Dead. Army of the Dead is about zombie movie. I've watched it. Uh, for example, we can look Turkish. Searching. Yazı Tura. Şabanoğlu Şaban, probably a Kemal Sunal movie. 120. It's about soldier, I think, yes. And user can actually enters a bunch of words, love and action, for example. Pray. Yes, it's action movie probably. And I think there is love in it. Skyfall, Banner, for example, Skyfall. Yes, another action movie. Actually, action movies have love in it most of the time. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice day.